This is the top of the Niagara Falls view. Look how the water is going to fall. Look. What's Skyla? Is it amazing, right?
Yeah.
Come here. Let's see. Let's look from the front of the falls. Yes, guy. How crazy this water. The mist having the sun. This is the Canadian Falls. We got the American Falls on the other end. And this water is taking out to the Lake Ontario. That's the Skyline. Hey, you know that top thing, Sky? That's called Skyline, just like your name. Skyla? Tomorrow is your birthday, huh?
Yeah.
You're turning what?
6.
Huh?
6.
Turning 6.
Yeah.
You're turning 6.
Yeah.
Put your hat on. Looks cool. How about do some dancing, like turning dance? Do your birthday dance, no? Come. Let's go to the top. Wanna go to the top? No, we climb up here. Watch the car, Sky. Sky, come in. Nice view. Here. How about you take a video of me in the falls? Don't shake it too hard. You could say something.
This is Dada.
Hi.
Wow.
Don't move too fast. Don't move too fast. Just move slowly like that. People are gonna get dizzy. You gotta try not to move too fast.
There's the waterfall. Me. Yeah.
Whoa, here. Alright, let's go up. We're gonna go up that way. The stair. Watch the puddle.
And then we'll go down. And then we'll go back to the hotel.
Yes, and then what? Then what are we gonna do?
Show Mama. And eat.
I thought we're gonna go to look for a fun place for your birthday tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. So first, let's go eat first.
Huh?
Let's go eat first.
Eat first? You wanna eat breakfast?
Yes.
What do you wanna eat?
In there.
Let's see if it's open.
Might be open. Wait.
What? So that's the view of the American Falls on the other side.